One of the hardest probabilities to find is something with a binomial distribution. So this is an example of a problem that you have in the module dealing with binomial distributions. And I wanted to show you how you could use StatCrunch to help you find probabilities of a binomial distribution. Here it says 50% of consumers prefer to purchase electronics online. If you randomly select 8 customers, find the probability that the number of customers who prefer to purchase electronics online is exactly 5, and then more than 5, and then at most 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at StatCrunch and the binomial calculator. And how we know that we can use a binomial calculator, so first let's get to it. Stat, calculators, binomial, is because this is a binomial situation. There's only 2 possibilities. Either they prefer to purchase online or they don't, right? And there are distinct trials in this case. In this case, they selected 8 customers and asked them, do you prefer to purchase online or not? And some say yes, some say no. So in this case, N is 8. The probability that they say yes, I prefer to purchase online is 50%. That's the p-value. They want to know what's the probability that it is exactly 5. So we can switch this to an equal sign, exactly 5, and get what we want. So I will cut and paste that. They want this to 3 decimal places, so I'm going to round that up to a 9. Probability that it is more than 5. So again, back to the binomial calculator. Strictly greater than 5. 3 decimal places again. Copy it, paste it, round up appropriately. Last one, find the probability that is at most 5. At most means it's less than or equal to 5. So if you have at most 5 pieces of pizza, that means that you can have 5 pieces of pizza or less. But in this case, it's just x is less than or equal to 5. So in the binomial calculator in StatCrunch, we can have less than or equal to 5, and then we can cut and paste that. So 3 decimal places, that looks good. All right, hopefully showing you that binomial calculator on StatCrunch will help you out.